Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hacks. And this week it's a doozy. So you've got acrylic paints and you want to paint for longer than a day's session without them drying out. You want a stay wet palette without the cost. All you need is Tupperware, kitchen towel, and some greaseproof paper. Let me show you how it works. So we have our Tupperware. This is courtesy of a Chinese takeout with a lid. We've got some kitchen towel. We pop that inside the, I'm just going to tear a bit off here so that we've got a nice neat shape. Inside our Tupperware. We pour some water on our kitchen towel to get that nice and wet. We then get our greaseproof paper. Pop that over the top of our kitchen paper. We can make this a lot neater if we'd had more than 2 minutes. We then add our acrylic. So we have a nice little mini paint palette. And when we have our paints and we've finished our painting session for the day, we simply place the lid over the top and they will stay fresh. Keeping your paints fresh for tomorrow's session. See you next week.